Hi guys, this is Sonal Gupta and you are learning the complete ethical hacking course Exploring Secrets of Hackers. In previously we have completed just our scanning module and we are proceeding to our next module which is deep level of scanning part 1. So let's proceed. What is inside it? What is deep level of scanning? It is also called enumeration. So deep level of scanning is a computing activity in which usernames and info on groups, shares, and services of network computers are retrieved. It should not be confused with network mapping, which only retrieves information about which servers are connected to a specific network and what operating system runs on it. We are not here to gather information about the operating system and IPs. That can be done in scanning module. We are here to get some deep level of information like usernames, the groups, shares, and services running on that network. We just want to gather that type of information here. Enumeration means to identify the user account, system account, and admin account, enumerating Windows Active Directory to find out these stuffs. So enumeration or deep level scanning is to gather information about the shares, group, and services. Objectives of deep scanning. What are the objectives? Why we need that deep scanning process? First, network shares. Second, SNMP data, simple network management protocol data, if they are not secured properly. IP tables, if you want IP tables, then username of different systems, password policy list. Then if you want to know all these in a network, then you have to do a deep scanning in the network. Types of deep scanning. First, DNS enumeration, domain name server, then NTP enumeration, SNMP enumeration, simple network management protocol, Linux and SMB enumerations are necessary for that. And here we can, these all type of deep scanning enumeration are available in our network like DNS, NTP, SNMP, Linux, SMB enumerations are available for us, right? So next, first is NetBIOS deep scanning. What is NetBIOS deep scanning? So NetBIOS enumeration and NetBIOS null sessions occurs when you connect any remote system without username and password. It is usually found in systems which common internet file systems or server message block depending on operating systems. So NetBIOS is like to gather shared files from your computer, to gather the groups available in your computer. That's how NetBIOS works in your computer. NetBIOS, if we talk about NetBIOS scanning tools, then there are so many NetBIOS scanning tools available in market. Like you can download these tools: NBStat, SuperScan, Hyena, WinFingerprint, and NetBIOS Enumerator. All these tools I have done in our practical session. You can find it in our practicals later part of these videos, and you can download these tools from these links. These are the links where you can download these tools automatically. Otherwise, in practical sessions I have also explained that how to download these from internet, right? So these are NetBIOS scanning tools. Next, SNMP deep scanning. Port number 161. I hope you also know the port numbers I have explained you in the scanning module. So SNMP stands for Simple Network Management Protocol, is an application layer protocol that runs on user datagram protocol. It is used for managing network devices which run on IP layer like routers. SNMP is based on a client server architecture where SNMP client or agent is located on every network devices and communicates with the SNMP device. Both SNMP request and response are configurable variables accessible by the agent software. SNMP contains the this is all about, and SNMP contains two passwords for authenticating the agents before configuring the variables and for accessing the SNMP agent from management station. SNMP port, actually what I'm saying in summarize, SNMP port contains two-way authentication. First, you have to find the string name, and after that you will get the login panel. That is SNMP. SNMP passwords are read community string, they are public, and second is read and write community string, they are private. As I already told you that there are two-way authentication. These are tools you can use for SNMP deep scanning, Orbitals, SolarWinds, SNS Scan, SNMP Scanner, and NS Auditor. These tools you can use to do deep scanning. What are the countermeasures? How you can prevent SNMP deep scanning? And you can. The main countermeasure is to upgrade it to SNMP v3. That is the most important one. Next is block access to this port. That is the final. So this is all about our two type of deep scanning. We have learned NetBIOS deep scanning, their tools, and SNMP deep scanning and their tools and their countermeasures. So this is all about our first module of first deep scanning part 1. Next we will proceed to our deep scanning part 2 in our next chapters. Till then,